We are selling our house. We have the new homeowners already here. This is the last thing I wanted to do, was to show you all the pallet walls that we built. Check them out. This video will also include how we built all of the pallet walls. In the guest bedroom, we started with trimming out the closet door and painting the wall a darker color so that it doesn't show through the cracks of the pallets. Then we began placing the pallets on, cutting them to fit, and we nailed them directly to the wall, making sure to hit the studs as we nailed. We got all of our pallets free from our local lumber yard, and we used a Sawzall to cut apart the pallets. We left the nails on for a nice rustic look. The half bath had an accent wall that was wallpaper, and it was really difficult to take it off, so we ended up leaving that on there. And there were a few places that I did need to paint between the cracks on the pallet wall. If I could do this over again, I would have painted right over the wallpaper because it was really hard to get a small brush in between those cracks of the pallet wood. In the guest bedroom, I had left the pallet wood all natural, but in this bathroom I stained it and put 2 coats of poly on it. We had a laundry room that also served as kind of our mudroom, our cat litter box room, and where our electrical work was. We also included a pallet wall in here. And again, we started with the black paint and trimming around the edges and adding all the pallet wood. Once I had the pallet wood on there, I wanted to add a fun color, so I did a little bit of distressed coloring on the paint and also stained some pieces. And then I also ended up creating a door to cover the electrical box, added some nice hooks, and this became a great space for us to use to store stuff. In the second bedroom, we built a raised bed for our daughter and also had an accent pallet wall that we did. We built a platform and we made lots of storage underneath, and then we added the pallet wood on it to make it look nice. And this wall was done the same way as all the other walls that we have showed you in this video, and it really made it for a nice little space for our daughter's bedroom. If you want to learn more about how I built the platform bed for our daughter with the storage underneath, check out the video linked in the description. For our entry, I wanted a nice place to be able to hang our jackets, get our shoes up off the floor, and have places to store our hats and mittens as well. So I also added a pallet wall here, no surprise. And I used the same steps as I did for the other pallet walls. Something I didn't mention earlier is that we did use a nail gun with the thin nails to attach all of the pallet wood. For the entertainment center, I wanted a nice place to store like our DVD player and our modem and all the wires and stuff that go along with having a television. So my husband and I built a cabinet that goes above the gas fireplace, and it works perfectly for taking care of our needs. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.